this guide, I will be showing you guys how can you fix Claude verification code not received. Let's get started. So first, make sure that the email address or phone number you entered in the app is correct. Even a small mistake can stop the code from being delivered. Double check everything before requesting the code again. Next, if you are expecting the code by email, open your Gmail or email app and check your spam or junk folder. Sometimes verification emails end up there instead of your inbox. Tap on three-line menu, scroll down and look for spam or trash to see if your code is there. Now moving on, try restarting your phone and then request the code again. This helps refresh your network connection and can fix temporary issues. You can also turn on airplane mode for about 10 to 15 seconds, then turn it off and try again. If the code still does not arrive, wait for a few minutes before requesting another one. Requesting too many codes quickly can sometimes block new one from being sent. Also, if there is an option for a voice call, try to receive your verification code through a call instead of SMS or email. And finally, if nothing works, you can contact the app support team for help. They can check if there is an issue with your account or the service, and that's it. With these, you'll be good to go. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.